17 Things Men Cannot Resist in a Relationship. Everyone has their own tastes and preferences, and it's impossible to find anything completely common for all guys. But there are some things which majority of men considers being beautiful and attractive. Here are 17 things men cannot resist in a relationship. Remember to like and subscribe to my channel. 1. When a woman slightly bites her lip. This gesture can look cute depending on the situation. It makes you attractive and men will feel affectionate towards you. Your soft lips will attract his attention. 2. Smooth skin. Smooth skin looks really attractive. So, there is no surprise that women always removed undesirable hair already in the times of ancient civilizations. Such skin causes desire to touch. 3. A strict hairstyle. Many ladies think that it doesn't look very attractive. But men consider that women who have such a hairstyle look hot. Besides, in such a way they can see your neck and shoulders, which are one of the most attractive women's body parts. 4. An unusual appearance. Men consider women with extraordinary look to be interesting. When they see such a lady, they have a desire to know more about her. They think that an unusual woman is creative and it will be really great to begin a conversation with her. 5. A woman in a man's shirt. Yep, they think that it's hot. Besides, if the woman wears her man's shirt, he understands that she is a really close person to him. He realizes that this woman belongs to him. 6. An over-the-shoulder glance. There is some magic in an over-the-shoulder glance. That's why there is no surprise that men consider it to be very seductive. A woman can make her man feel passionate towards her with just one glance like this. 7. Confident women. A woman who is self-confident is really attractive. She always looks perfect. When she enters the room, all men's attention belongs to her. This is not surprising that men consider such women to be really beautiful. 8. Bare shoulders. Smooth skin, clavicles and the lines of shoulders. All these things attract men's attention. That's why they think that women wearing clothes which open this area look really beautiful. Remember to like and subscribe to my channel. 9. A beautiful walk in heels. Some women don't wear heels, others just can't wear high heels, and that are a pity. But a woman wearing shoes with high heels always looks attractive. And if her gait is smooth and graceful, it looks really gorgeous. 10. A lovely voice. Could you ever imagine that beautiful voice can also attract men? Yep, it's true. It is said that Marilyn Monroe's voice charmed all men and grabbed their attention. That's why most men chase women who sing in the church. 11. Full lips. Full red lips can be called a symbol of our femininity. Guys consider it to be really attractive and hot. But you shouldn't make them look bigger on purpose, this gesture won't look tempting. 12. Elegance. Elegance makes attractive every woman. Dapper lady looks beautifully and gracefully. There is a harmony in such a woman, she is both attractive and feminine. Her image is perfect from the behavior to the clothes. A woman like this always attracts men's attention. 13. Sport leggings. That's not surprising. Such leggings emphasize slim legs and toned booty. Wearing them you make your silhouette feminine. That always looks attractive. Of course, you shouldn't wear sport leggings everywhere, but in the gym or in the supermarket it's okay. 14. Freckles. Most of girls hate their freckles and do all their best to get rid of this problem. They think that it's not beautiful at all. But men consider that freckles look very feminine, cute and attractive. 15. Natural makeup. Natural beauty is rather rare nowadays. Unfortunately, the majority of women hide their appearance under the layers of makeup. Men think that only natural makeup looks attractive. 16. Glasses. Many women think that they don't look good in glasses and wear contact lens. But they don't know that men consider girls in glasses to be very attractive. This accessory adds some unapproachable to your image, making you the object of attention for men. 17. Sincere laughter. There are women who think that wide smile or loud laughter can destroy their image. But if your emotions are sincere, they only make you more beautiful. Men just adore women who are not afraid to express their real emotions. Everyone deserves to experience true love. It is out there for everyone, and until it knocks on your door, we are here to remind you that you deserve the best love. You can help us spread this love by sharing this with those around you and letting us know what you think in the comments below. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to leave it at the comment section below and I shall respond. Please like, share and subscribe to our channel, and please consider watching our next video on your screen or visit our playlist for more educational, self-development and relationship tips videos, and don't forget to share our videos as well. Thank you.